So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you another newly launched base meme coin, another trending meme coin here. Right now this meme coin is pumped by more than 21% here, but last 7 days this meme coin is pumped by more than 70% here. Within just 20 days of its launching, this meme coin is 6,000% up here. Still this meme coin is no listed on any tier 1 exchange or any other major exchange, but it's possible that we can see its major Intel exchange listing soon here, and this coin can be the next peanut coin, can be the next sharp coin. So the video is going to be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete here. France Bears name $0.093 current price, current market cap. You can see $92 million. Okay, current market cap is $92 million, so under $100 million market cap. So this is good. $10.8 million trading volume in last 24 hours. This is awesome, friends. 979 million coin supply, all in circulation. On other Solana ecosystem meme coin, Express dog theme meme coin on Solana chain. You have 49% down the install time high. They were 18 days ago, $0.18, and we are more than 6,000% up the install time low. They were 20 days ago. Coin has already killed 2 zeros since its launching. So performance from this meme coin within just 20 days of launching is really amazing. And you can see, friends, these are central exchanges where this listed. MEXC has listed, and also XT.com has listed. Okay, and Poloniex. Okay, so only three central exchanges has listed this meme coin, MEXC and XT.com, Poloniex, but still there's no coupon yet. There's no Bybit, Crypto.com, Binance, and many other major central exchange listing also left for this meme coin yet. But friends, no doubt this token has really potential, and it's also possible that we can see its major central exchange listing in coming days or in coming weeks here. And friends, you can see the mayor of Solana. Okay, where's the mayor of Solana? And you can copy official contact address from their website is looking good. You can check out all further details here. Their social communities here, and it's all further details about this meme coin, about this dog theme meme coin here. You can also check out charts. So website is very simple. There's no much information about this meme coin. Friends, I can see more than 26,000 holders for this meme coin, 26,988 holders for this meme coin. This is good. On-chain market cap is also okay, $92 million. This is good. These are the top holders of this meme coin, top 10 wallet. They're holding this coin. Highest percent. Okay, you can see MEX exchange. Okay, MEX exchange wallet holding highest percent of Bitcoin. That is 4% of its supply. Wallet 2 holding 2% supply. So top 10 wallet holding, I think, just 17% supply only. So this is good. 15 to 17% supply. So this is good. There's no any value issue here. So friends, now my price prediction about meme coin is that its current market cap is already $92 million. That already is great, but still this meme coin is no listed on any major central exchange. So it's possible that we can see its major central exchange listing soon, because right now this meme coin is trending here on CoinGo and also on CoinMarketCap, everywhere in meme coin category. So that's the reason, that's why it's possible that we can see Bitcoin listing on many major central exchanges. And if it's happened that we can see its major central exchange listing, then definitely this market cap can goes in maybe $400 million or $500 million in short term. But if you want to buy this meme coin in long term, then you have to wait here. Maybe we can see a good dump in this meme coin price, and if this meme coin will be available under $50 million market cap or under $60 million market cap, then you can make entries in this meme coin, and you have to hold for at least 8 to 12 months from now. Next year mega bullion, definitely this meme coin can perform really amazing. At that time, many major central exchanges will also list this meme coin, because friends, no doubt trading volume is awesome. And as still, as I'll show you, only 3 central exchanges has list this coin, where this trading volume is $10.8 million already. So this is awesome trading volume from this meme coin. And I think in next year mega bullion, in long term, this meme coin can be the next $1 billion market cap. We can see its market cap up to 1 billion to maybe $5 billion here. But friends, do not buy this meme coin after watching this video. Make sure to do your own research and then invest here.